You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at one of the figures I wanted to have in my collection for a very long time, and that is of course the Black Goku. And I must say, like, I wanted to have this for my collection, but I couldn't find one from an original company, and I came across a very big collection of somebody else's, and I'm like, hey, there is this bootleg version, just as fun to check it out, how good or how bad it is, and will this be an awesome item in my collection, or is this something you just need to avoid? Let's take a close look at it. Let's do a quick unboxing with you. Alright, so let's see what we're going to get. So always like we're going to get these very flimsy cardboard boxes. Look at how bad quality is. I will keep it, I will save it, but I'm just being honest, like, in my opinion, not even worth saving because these things are so bad quality. So did the previous owner display this? No, he didn't. Alright, so let's see. Also another one with the base. And I must say, like, I'm not a big fan of those simply because they take up so much space, but doesn't matter, doesn't spoil the fun. Alright, so let's see how this thing looks. Alright, so in overall the face is not bad at all. It is not like the original one. I know, like, the original ones will have like better paint jobs, but they did not a bad job over here. The hair also does look very nice. Let's tear this thing down too later on, just to see if we can find any more flaws, but so far I can see it's also like a very lightweighted. You can see some issues over here. We do have like the stand, we have like the base. The base itself is not very big, so I'm very happy with that. So let's put this bloody thing back together. Let's see if I can manage to do that, because this can be an issue. Okay, so we need to force it in very hard. Oh. Alright, so that fits in okay. Be very careful, these are like very thin. If you're going to put too much pressure on it, it will crack open. Will it be the first time? Alright, the next thing that we need to do is put this thing together. Alright. Oh, it fits great. Oh. Alright, so we need a lot of force. The next thing is putting this thing in his ass. Oh, this is going to be like the biggest challenge. I think that's it. Alright, so that's basically the way how it works. It's like a freaking bobblehead, you know. Okay, so I must say that I really like this bobblehead figure. I'm just going to call it bobblehead figure. And the reason why, because the way how he is, the pose, I think it was like the scene that we basically want to like fuse with the other Zamasu. And I'm really curious, if I'm saying his name correctly, I'm just really curious how this thing will look. So let's zoom in a little bit. I've already shown you the face, and the face itself looks very nice. I must say, like, the way how everything looks and how it works out, I must say, for a bootleg, I am quite surprised. Sorry for that, the things keep like wobbling like a freaking bobblehead. But I'm just going to be honest, like, I am really surprised when it comes to the overall quality, the paint job. Besides like the flaws it has, I think it's one of the better bootlegs I have found. I'm curious if these will still be made in the future. Sometimes you can find them, but take consideration, even you find like a different seller, it's possible that you're going to get yourself like a different version. It's like a freaking gamble. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become a wicked family, and it will be great to see you in the next video.